Has set aside the appointment of Hlaudi Motsoeneng as the Group Executive of Corporate Affairs. The court has ruled his appointment was invalid, unlawful and irrational. The court found that the SABC and the board conducted themselves unlawfully for failing to implement the recommendations of the Public Protector's report. It also found that the SABC violated the Constitution by not assisting and protecting the Public Protector. It says Motsoeneng may not hold any position at all at the SABC until he's exonerated by a new disciplinary process. It must commence through a new initiator within 2 weeks once the new board is quorumed. This process must be open to the public and must be completed within 2 months. And the SABC's been ordered to pay the legal costs of this court action.
The setting aside of his appointment as COO did not terminate his status as an employee. However, we disagree with the SABC's contention that Mr. Motsoeneng, by operation of law, reverted to being the incumbent of the GECA post. That post already had a lawfully appointed incumbent, Mr. Guana. It required an active decision by the SABC for Mr. Motsoeneng to be made the incumbent of the GECA post and for Ms. Togwana to be redeployed to another general executive post. Furthermore, the SABC did not merely treat Mr. Motsoeneng as resuming a position by operation of law. The SABC concluded a new 5-year contract with him, which will only expire in September 2021. And the SABC did so on the basis that he was entitled to retain his COO remuneration, something we find quite inexplicable. If he was not validly appointed as COO, he cannot now be expected to be paid a COO salary.
Well, the DA brought this action and they have welcomed the ruling.
What is now absolutely critical is that as we speak right now, Mr. Motsoeneng is not an employee of the SABC. He can't go to work, and if anyone finds him at work today, they must make sure he is removed from the building, because he can't carry on being a blesser over December, issuing away illegal contracts, making sure that he undermines the Public Protector's remedial action. We are of the complete view today it's a victory for justice. Mr. Motsoeneng cannot work at the SABC, and ultimately I'm also glad that he personally must pay back the cost for this case so he stops litigating on the basis of the taxpayers' money.